What's up, guys? My name is Jeremy, and today we have a special put together. This is a Sabrent 2.5 SSD and SATA hard drive USB 3.0 enclosure by Sabrent. They make these type of enclosures for old hard drives and this is an old hard drive that I pulled out of my laptop. It's a 2.5 inch, so I decided to get an enclosure to use it as an external portable hard drive, and Sabrent was the company that sells these. So we're gonna see if it works perfectly, if everything works out well. So first thing we're gonna do is, of course, open this up. I just got this in the mail. Pretty simple. Seems pretty simple so far. We have the aluminum based silverware. I got aluminum because it matches the Apple MacBook Pro. It looks better aluminum like that, and aluminum does not cause more heat to it. We have a USB 3.0 cable right here. We have a screwdriver and two thumbnails that will be going into the spots right there. We have some warranty, and we have the user guide, which we probably don't need to read. And then we have I believe this is I don't know what this is, but let's open this up right here, and there we go. So we have the connection. So what I'm gonna do is actually unscrew. So what I'm doing right now is unscrewing this cage right here. This was part of the laptop cage, and I'm just unscrewing the last screw to get it loose, so then we can plug in the hard drive into that. There we go. Now we have the hard drive is loose, and we can now take this piece right here and connect it to the hard drive. Like so. There we go. Right there, everything's connected. Now what we could do is now place this inside nice and gently. Fits nice, snug, and then we take the screw and the screwdriver that it came with, and then we go ahead and close this thing up. And there we go. The hard drive is now successfully installed inside the Sabrent Silver Aluminum 3.0 enclosure. Now the only thing to do is test to see if the enclosure actually works via this USB 3.0 cable, and we are going to go check that out right now. Now the only thing left to do is test to see if this works. So I'm going to plug one end of the USB cord into the 3.0 port on the hard drive, and then I'm going to plug the other part into my computer, and let's see if the hard drive runs up. On the side we have a blue light indicator letting us know that the hard drive is plugged in, and soon the computer should pop up. There we go. You can see that the machine does recognize that this is a hard drive. We could decide that later. And here we go. We have the external hard drive right here. We can see all the files, and let's see if we can read and write on this hard drive. So sharing permissions, you can read only. So we can actually reformat this hard drive by going to disk utility. You could actually search it up, disk utility. So we're gonna go into this hard drive right here. This is that's the Apple. This is the Macintosh. This is the media. We're gonna go into this one right here. This hard drive. We're going to hit erase. We are going to name this hard drive 2. We are going to do XX external, and then we are going to erase it. And then we are going to rewrite it so we can be able to write on the disk now. And there we go. We just reformatted the disk. Now we can simply, if we go here, we can now read and write to this. So we can just simply drag and drop files on here, which is pretty good. So this thing works. I mean, I'm satisfied with it. So this was the Sabrent aluminum hard drive Enclosure 3.0 silver edition. Does match the MacBook Pro. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the description below. And hopefully this has helped you out. And until then, my name was Jeremy, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Adios.